I'm standing in this freshly demolished 1904 farmhouse kitchen. There's been a lot of good and bad surprises with this project thus far, but to give you guys more context, let's go back to when this actually looked like a kitchen. We're reconfiguring this entire space. On this wall, we're putting the range, and then that's just gonna be only on this wall. On this side of the kitchen, we're putting the refrigerator. And then it came down to, well, where the hell are we gonna put the sink and the dishwasher? Because if that was the case, there'd be no room for the dishwasher and it'd be really tight. As much as I hate to say it, because we're strapped for room, we have to put the sink and the dishwasher in the island. And I don't hate the design, but I'm doing my best to keep it with the authentic farmhouse kitchen. And an authentic farmhouse kitchen is an apron sink in front of the window, and we just can't do that. It's just not gonna work. So what we're gonna do is put the dishwasher on this side of the island, put the sink here, and then put just a normal drawer base. And then along the back end, we're gonna do three. It's like an upper cabinet, but we're gonna mount it on the back, build a toe kick, and it's just basically gonna be like thinner storage. So the island's gonna be 3 feet wide by 7 feet long, and then we'll do a little overhang for benches over on that side of the island. This little bay window, as wonderful as it is, it needs to go. So we're going to post up here, post up over there, span this entire wall, and get rid of this. This whole thing's going. This door will no longer be here in this location, which means we can use this space. This would be a floor to ceiling pantry, and then this would be a little countertop space that has a microwave space in the lower cabinet. So that is the plan for the kitchen. It's a lot. I've unwrapped a lot, but to figure out if all of that's possible, we're gonna have to start demoing this space. It doesn't fit through the door. That's kind of how my day's going right now. All right, well, I got these base cabinets out. This sink base was just the biggest pain. It's out. It's out. It's all that matters. It's all that matters. So now I gotta get these uppers out of here. But I'm calling it a day. To save you guys the agony of watching this nonsense happen, let's just fast forward to when it's all done. Because I now know that majority of this, other than the spots that you can see, are lath and plaster, I'm going to remove all of the plaster, get that out of here, because that's heavy. Then I'll remove all of the lath and the insulation. I came prepared, and I got a mask. And we're ready to go. So we made a discovery today. Opening up this wall, figure out how to support it, found out that there's an extra 14 inches of ceiling space that we are definitely gonna utilize. So I've already ordered the cabinets. I gotta figure out that situation. But in the meantime, this ceiling is coming down. So we just finished demolition on this kitchen. It's very exciting. I'm happy to see that we found some extra space in the ceiling and we're down to the studs so we can build this back up the right way. There's a lot more to do in this kitchen. This is just the beginning. We have this opening to figure out. We got plumbing, we got electrical, we have insulation, we got to get the floor all one level. We got cabinets, countertops, lighting fixtures, sheetrock, paint. We got all that stuff. So there's a lot more to uncover. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.